Wetumpka Sports Complex. Drone Flyover. Friday, October 5th, 2023. Created by Jeff Rogers.
We got a dream, next to the team, yeah, we can handle it. Wait, soon as I go and I step in arenas, they call me the champ. They know what it is, know what I do, know who I am, who don't understand. Yeah, that's overdue. My trophy say that's overdue. My rings finna be immortalized. Yeah, they know it's true. They couldn't walk a mile or even fit into my shoes. Still, I got a lot to prove, but for all that we've been through, this overdue. This the anthem. Pull up and you know the team is strong. This your anthem. All my underdogs, everybody get your hands up. Times was hard, but we made it through. We were struggling for a minute, so that winning overdue. Yeah, they know it's true.
My mind is set, my grind is set, my heart on ice is cold. I'm only here to even the score. Whoa. My mind is set, my grind is set, my heart on ice is cold. We down right now, but did it before. Whoa. See from here we gon' up. Made the call, I shown up. Now the game is on up. Say my name is blown up. We up, 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 we up. See from here we gon' up. Made the call, I shown up. Now the game is on up. Say my name is blown up. We up, 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 we up.
This is your 2023 Wetumpka Indians.